Hello, we're back with an exciting video featuring the best 6 products to make your decision easier. For the latest prices and more information, check the description. WOLFANG GA420. The GA420 underwater camera is designed to be waterproof up to 10 meters without a waterproof case and up to 40 meters with the included waterproof case. Its dive mode enhances underwater colors for natural and realistic video capture. Customized high-quality accessories accompany the GA420, featuring ergonomic design, comfortable touch, and smooth mounting. An external noise-canceling microphone ensures more apparent audio capture in noisy environments. The camera includes advanced electronic 6-axis EIS anti-shake technology for stable and smooth video recording. It offers 8x zoom for versatile video angles and features like loop recording, time-lapse video, slow fast motion, continuous shooting, and more. Additionally, it can function as a car recorder with driving mode and inversion mode capabilities. OLFANG GA300. If you're considering buying the GA300 over the GoPro Hero 11 Black, consider the latter, which shoots at 5.3K 60 FPS, uses 27 megapixel fixed, and has a 10-bit sensor. The GA300 can't compete with all of them, but it retails for a fraction of the price and comes with plenty of accessories. In the box, you'll find a waterproof case, an external microphone with micro USB connector, some Velcro straps, mounts and adhesive tapes, a tripod case with threads on both sides, a remote control, bike, J-hook mount, and 2 mounts. The 350 mAh battery can be charged inside the budget action camera. Physically, the GA300 is much simpler. There's a power switch on the front, a shutter button on the top, and 2 push buttons on the side for manually navigating the on-screen menus. Fortunately, these menus can also be navigated using the 2-inch touchscreen. Use more than GA100. AKASO V50 Elite. Capture your adventures in stunning details with the AKASO V50 Elite 4K 60 FPS action camera. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this camera delivers high-quality footage with its 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and vivid video recordings. The built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, ensures steady footage, reducing blur and shake even in dynamic environments. Featuring a touchscreen interface, navigating settings and reviewing footage is intuitive and convenient. Voice control adds hands-free operation, allowing you to start recording or taking photos effortlessly. With an waterproof rating of up to 131 feet, 40 meters, and an included waterproof case, the AKASO V50 Elite is also ready to accompany you on underwater adventures. The camera has a 64 GB micro SD card, offering ample storage space for your recordings. It also supports up to 8x digital zooms, enabling you to clearly capture distant subjects. A remote control further enhances usability, allowing you to control the camera remotely. Compact and durable, the AKASO V50 Elite is an excellent choice for capturing your action-packed moments with professional-grade video quality and ease of use. SJCAM SJ4000. The SJ4000 action camera features an innovative dual-color screen design, allowing seamless switching between front and rear screens. The vivid front screen caters to selfie needs, while the 2-inch HD display on the back offers real-time previews of videos and photos. It includes a durable IP68 waterproof case, protecting the camera up to depths of 30 meters for underwater recording of scenic views. Perfect for water sports like swimming, surfing, diving, snorkeling, and more. The camera supports professional video resolutions including 4K 30 FPS, 2.7K 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and 720p 120 FPS. It captures 16 MP images with a 170x super wide-angle lens, ensuring detailed and immersive footage of life's exciting moments. Features like loop recording, driving mode, burst shooting, time-lapse video, self-timer photo, exposure and white balance adjustment, image flipping, and more enhance versatility. Operated via a user-friendly 2-inch LCD screen interface with clear fonts and images, the SJ4000 action camera exceeds expectations as an underwater camcorder. TIMNUT. Take every thrilling moment with the action camera 4K 30 FPS, equipped with a 64 GB SD card for extensive recording capacity. This HD waterproof camera is built to withstand depth of up to 131 feet, making it perfect for underwater adventures. With a wide-angle 170-degree lens, it captures expansive views and ensures you don't miss any action. Featuring a high-resolution 20 mLp sensor, this camera delivers crisp and clear images, whether skiing down slopes or diving into the ocean. It supports pre-recording, allowing you to capture moments just before pressing the record button. The built-in Wi-Fi enables seamless connectivity to your smartphone, facilitating easy sharing and remote control. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring extended shooting sessions without interruptions. Various mounting accessories, including a helmet mount, expand the camera's versatility, making it suitable for cycling, skiing, surfing, and more. The remote control feature adds convenience by allowing you to remotely manage settings and capture photos or videos. Durable and user-friendly, the action camera 4K 30 FPS is your ideal companion for capturing dynamic sports and outdoor activities in stunning detail. Dragon Touch. The Dragon Touch 4K action camera, equipped with a waterproof case, can withstand depths of up to 100 FTT, 30 mm, making it perfect for water sports enthusiasts. It allows for capturing stunning underwater footage while engaging in swimming, surfing, diving, and snorkeling activities. The camera includes a wireless remote control that can be worn on your wrist, enabling easy operation even when mounting the camera on a helmet or selfie stick. This ensures you never miss recording special moments, no matter where you are. The camera offers a variety of useful functions such as driving mode, time-lapse, burst photo, and loop recording. Its compact design makes it versatile and suitable for many applications, surpassing expectations. With 4K 30 FPS video and 20 mLp photo resolution, the Dragon Touch 4K action camera allows you to capture breathtaking videos and high-quality photos of every exciting moment. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and hit the bell icons to get notified of our new videos.